What are the legal aspects of marriage? Have you ever wondered what makes marriage more than just a romantic commitment? Let's take a closer look at the legal aspects of marriage and how they shape our lives. Marriage is not just a personal bond. It is a socially recognized union that establishes family ties and social obligations. Legally, marriage is governed by laws that outline who can marry, the rights and duties of spouses, and what happens if the marriage ends. At its essence, marriage creates a social contract. This contract grants mutual rights and responsibilities between partners and their families. It typically covers property rights, inheritance, legitimacy of children, and mutual support. When a marriage is legally recognized, it provides a framework for how assets are shared during the marriage and what happens if the couple divorces. This reflects how economic roles change in society. Marriage laws can differ greatly across cultures and regions. Commonly, there are restrictions on who may marry. For example, many places prohibit marriages between close relatives to avoid genetic issues and maintain diversity. Historically, some laws banned interracial marriages, but many of these laws have been abolished in numerous countries. The legal form of marriage is also important. Monogamy, which is the union of two individuals exclusively, is the most common legal standard. However, some cultures recognize polygamous marriages. In polygamy, one individual may have multiple spouses. This can be polygyny, where one man has several wives, or polyandry, where one woman has multiple husbands. While polygamy is illegal in many countries, it still exists in some societies due to cultural or religious traditions. Same-sex marriage is another significant legal aspect. More countries are now recognizing marriages between individuals of the same sex, granting them equal rights and responsibilities as opposite-sex couples. Some indigenous cultures have long acknowledged diverse gender roles, allowing unions that reflected these identities. Marriage laws also include social rules like endogamy and exogamy. Endogamy refers to marrying within a specific social, ethnic, or kin group, while exogamy involves marrying outside one's group. These rules help maintain social alliances and economic ties. In many societies, arranged marriages are common, where families choose spouses to strengthen these connections. The legal aspects of marriage encompass the formal recognition of unions, the rights and obligations they create, and the restrictions on eligible partners. These laws reflected cultural norms and reproductive strategies, influencing how societies organize kinship, inheritance, and social alliances. Understanding these legal frameworks helps us appreciate the role of marriage in human relationships and society.